Hello, and welcome to another episode in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. My name is Jason Perkins, and I'm an attorney who specializes in handling Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos because I wanted to provide people who've been hurt at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits they should receive under that law. Today I want to talk to you about medical treatment and testing. Specifically, I want to talk to you about getting workers' compensation MRIs approved. Now, an MRI is a test that your doctor may recommend when trying to diagnose an injury that you've had at work. And you may first ask, why is this even an issue for a video? Why is there an issue with getting workers' compensation MRIs approved? Well, medical benefits, specifically medical treatment testing for your injury, are one of the primary benefits provided under Georgia workers' compensation law. How the system is supposed to work is that your workers' compensation doctor orders treatment or testing, and then the testing moves forward and gets done. The insurance company is supposed to pay for all the treatment and testing you need as a result of your injury with certain authorized doctors. So why is this an issue? Well, unfortunately, medical delay and denial are one of the biggest issues in Georgia workers' compensation cases. So your workers' compensation doctor may recommend treatment or testing like an MRI, and the insurance company just doesn't approve it. So it doesn't get done because the doctor's office or medical facility is waiting for that approval from the insurance company. So what can you do to overcome this problem? Well, there's a few different steps that you can take. One is reaching out to the adjuster to try to get the adjuster to communicate with the doctor's office or medical facility and give approval for the MRI. Now, if that doesn't work, there's some additional steps that you can take. One that's the most successful for us when we're representing injured workers is filing a form WCPMT. That's a form that can be filed a certain period of time after the insurance company has been provided with the orders for the medical treatment or testing and hasn't yet given approval or denied the treatment or testing. In this situation, the form will set up a phone call with a judge, and the insurance company has to either deny the treatment or testing or approve it beforehand, or that phone call takes place, and the judge during the phone call can order that the treatment or testing be paid for. Now, another option is to file a motion asking for approval of the treatment or testing. When a motion's filed, there's a chance for the insurance company to object, and then sometime afterward, the judge makes a decision on whether the treatment or testing is approved or denied. Now, with a motion, from when the motion's filed, it may be a month to 2 months from the filing of the motion until the decision's received. It sometimes can be less, but that's often the case. It's between a month or two. And a fourth option that's available is to request a hearing to seek approval of treatment or testing. Again, this results in a decision from a judge. The issue with a hearing is that it can take 4 to 6 months or longer to get to a hearing and get a decision from a judge. So it's a long time. And again, when you've had testing recommended like an MRI to try to diagnose your injury, you probably want that diagnosis as soon as possible so you can move forward with getting treatment. You don't want to wait 4 to 6 months or longer to get the MRI done, because that means your injury is going to be causing you problems for that period of time, and you're not going to be recovering and getting better. You probably want to recover and get better as soon as you can. Hope you found this information about getting a workers' compensation MRI approved helpful. If you have, please let me know that. One of the best ways you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you've got other questions about workers' compensation law in Georgia, I'm happy to try to give you answers to those. One of the best ways to get answers is to set up a free consultation about your case. There's 2 easy ways you can do that. The first is by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen, and the other is by reaching out to me through our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. Click on and submit the free consultation request form, and a member of our team will contact you to get a consultation scheduled. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today. I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injuries.